What's up guys, Jake here. Right now it's 5 o'clock in the morning. We're at Starbucks. Tyler's inside getting some coffees, and then we got the Mackie, Zaddy himself over here, and we're about to head to Vegas. Going to Speed Vegas. It's gonna be a good time, so we're just gonna vlog the journey.
My guy. Hi.
What's up, my guy? Whoa.
Start it up.
An hour outside of Speed Vegas. The car is doing wonderful. We stopped in Mexico on the way and we did 170. Really cool. Fastest I've ever been in a car, fastest he's ever been in a car. So, 170 in Mexico. Gotta be clear. Yeah, obviously it's in Mexico.
Basically a third world country.
Yeah.
This is lit. Good thing we washed it before we came.
Yeah, I know. We made sure we wiped the whole thing down. We wiped the whole car down right before coming here, just so it could get obliterated with dust before the sun came up. So, sweet.
Easy belt. Said you're gonna need it with me driving. We're gonna end up on its roof.
For those of you that don't know, Tyler has flipped 2 trucks. No cars yet, but he's flipped 2 trucks.
This one would take some skill to flip.
Yeah.
Can I just die here on the beach? My fingers in the sand, water at my feet. Can I just get some release? Yeah, everybody falls off the tippy of they tall talk. Don't come and talk to me. I ain't trying to see fear reflections in my
Zaddy, that ass though.
my purview, coming after me. Got some issues with my worldview. I iron up the kicks. I ain't trying to be a kick. Crowns ain't the way to
Oh, you
bring
look good.
up.
You look good.
Soft,
You need one of those.
backwards and
You need to ditch that
These
shirt.
man's really think they worth conditioned up in the mattress. And bitch, I'm back. I get it. You gotta hold your shit up.
Fucking next bag.
Know that.
No one pays attention to these, but watch my
Out on the rundown, she just can't get away. Driving in the dead end, highway signs my head like
More comfortable than the front.
Is it?
Alright guys, I just spoke to one of the guys that works here. His name's Tyler. He's really cool, and I'm gonna check out the Super Trofeo. He said it's night and day from the STO. So I'm gonna take a look inside. Full on race car, he says. Damn straight. Look at that. Bare bones. I'm getting in. Wow. I should have done this. Too late to switch, but wow. I'll be sure to get another video of either me or Tyler climbing into that thing because it is so bare bones and all the bars I can barely climb in and out. What's up, my guy? I went over to the Super Trofeo. There's a guy that worked here. He's all, dude, it's night and day from the STO. He's all, so bare bones, you should hop in it. So I went and got in it, and I could barely get my big ass in there. All the bars. Okay, bye. Guy I talked to, he's like, oh, is that your guys' plan out there? That thing's sick.
Yeah.
He works here. And I told him a little bit about what we did to it. His name's Tyler, too.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Mommy's getting a Lambo. Look. No, I can't do it.
No? Oh, dude, you got in like a champ.
He came with a camera for me. Love it. What are you guys driving?
That's pretty intense.
This?
No, I'm gonna drive a different one. I wish I would have done this now that I see it.
See, he's skinny. You can get it out.
That's pretty bad.
Is it?
I No, I think it's like $4.99.
$4.99?
I think it's $4.99.
Yeah?
I think it was up maybe 600, I think. Yeah. This was the top dog.
Oh, dang. The most expensive one?
Yeah, I think so. Super stoked. I just upgraded from the Huracan STO to the Huracan Super Trofeo. So that thing should be pretty dope. It's full on race car.
Nice to meet you. Hop in there. You know what kind of car it is?
Mclaren?
Yeah. You know your car's pretty good, huh?
Yeah, I'm in the car.
All right.
Yeah.
Get your mom to come take a picture of you, huh?
Yeah. Mom! Hold on, maybe I'm trying. Oh wow, it's in the front. It's on top right there.
Yeah, top exhaust on it. Gotta put it in. It has downpipes on it.
Small, right?
Yeah.
Get it, Tyler. Do it again, bro.
Don't mind me just kind of spying on the valet. Kind of paranoid about it, but it parked in a good spot right next to a Continental GT and a Porsche, so sweet.
Titanium. Yeah. I like the ones in the back right there, the red ones. I have a McLaren.
Oh,
That's why we
nice.
came in.
You need to get afraid.
I know.
Come on.
I spent too much on the car.
We're staying here, so we'll be back.
Oh, yeah, we're going to
Jackpot, and then I'll be back.
9 o'clock? Okay.
Take care, guys.
Thank you.
I'm not buying those fucking things, bro.
Alright, so quick update, because I filmed it and I realized there was no audio and it was in slow motion. So, we finished
McLaren sunglasses.
McLaren sunglasses, that's pretty dope. But we finished at Speed Vegas. It was really cool. Yeah, no, that was good.
Yeah, keep going.
But I got to drive the Super Trofeo Lamborghini Huracan, which was sick. It was a straight up race car. Had a clutch pedal and everything for starting and stopping, and then the rest it used paddle shifters. But other than that, we rolled on in, coming through the strip.
I drove too.
He drove a GT2 RS, and he got the best lap time of the day. No one beat it while we were there. And then, rolling onto the strip, we had the car, it was nice and loud, and we happened to run in.
Made a loop.
Huh?
We just made a loop.
We're also lost, yeah.
We're lost, bro.
Oh, sorry. Just punched someone in the face with the camera. Anyway, we ran into...
But we're lost.
Okay, so, driving down the strip, I hear out the window someone yelling, "Tyler." I look over and the homie D Premium, Daniel Sanchez was there. And
What was Daniel doing out there? Was he working the strip?
he was out there working the strip.
I'd hit it.
Anyway, we got to say what up to him. We'll probably meet up with him later, and we'll see where the day takes us. How are you?
How are you turning?
19.
19?
Yeah.
So we were trying to take the test.
21.
I was like,
I was hoping 21.
One of Javier's, we're gonna get drunk. But the thing is, if we get carded, they ain't gonna card this one. He's bigger than us.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, I remember when I first brought him to my shop, I was telling him, he's like this big little
Yeah.
kid, like looking at the like looking at the cars and
Yeah.
look at him now. How many push-ups did he do? Like 500?
If I tried, probably like 40.
Like 40? Okay, cool. You guys go to Javier's already?
Yeah,
Yeah.
a bunch of
You ready to have some shots? Let's go. It's over here,
I
right?
told him I just wanted a beer. I didn't want a shot.
Get some beers and some shots. Over here, right?
Get to see Bad Bunny.
Bad Bunny.
I understand.
Everybody-
I'm not familiar.
He's the Michael Jackson of the.
You don't know about Bad Bunny? Are you serious?
Real quick.
Go for it, dude. It looks great. You see that thing rolling up from a mile away.
So happy with it.
I love that thing.
Dirty as hell.
A couple bucks on the way out here.
Huh?
A couple bucks on the way out here. This thing's low.
Yeah. I'm sitting on the ground. All right, dude. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, thanks for inviting
Hit
me.
it. Bob. Be in touch.
Have a great day coming out.